find yourself a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes gently. I want you to begin by taking a slow, deep breath in through your nose and counting silently to 4. Hold your breath for a gentle count of 4. Now slowly exhale through your mouth for another count of 4. Pause once again, holding with lungs empty for another 4 counts. Silently to yourself, repeat this cycle. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and pause for 4. As you breathe, visualize your breath as a soothing, rhythmic wave moving gently in and out. I'm going to go quiet for a moment so you can continue this breathing pattern on your own, embracing the stillness within. When you feel ready, softly return your breathing to its natural rhythm. You can blink your eyes open, take in the space around you, and continue your day with this feeling of refreshment and calm.